Hello, my name is Pete, and today I'm going to be reviewing a kitchen utility knife from Cestari Kitchen. This is the packaging that the knife arrived in. On the side of the package, the knife is described as a Cestari Ceramic Cutlery 6-inch serrated utility knife. Pretty complete description. On the back there are other specifications. It asks the question, why is Cestari Cutlery the best? And it gives us some answers. Ceramic blade harder than steel, will not rust or corrode, non-porous, will not alter the taste, smell, or appearance of food, lightweight ergonomic design, perfectly balanced, rubberized handle with comfortable grip, and most importantly, a lifetime, no questions asked replacement guarantee. Well, the specifications are nice, but the performance is really what we're interested in. This is the knife. It comes in this plastic sheath in order to protect the knife and to protect yourself. The knife has this rubberized handle, black handle, and the blade is flat black in color. And as it says, it's made out of ceramic, not steel. So let's try it out. Around here, people like to eat caprese salads. Two of the ingredients in a caprese salad, tomatoes and fresh mozzarella, I think would be good tests for the performance of this knife. So let's start with a tomato. With a tomato, you don't want to crush a tomato, and you want to get the slices as thin as you wish. So let's see how this knife performs. All right, that's one slice, two slices, three slices, four slices. Okay, that actually worked quite well. The knife didn't tear the skin, and it didn't crush the tomato. So I think it worked very, very well. So we'll have our slices, our tomato slices for our caprese salad later. If you wish to cut tomatoes the other direction by first cutting them in half, I have a tomato that I've cut in half earlier, and it's also easy to slice these as well. Sorry for the noise of the cutting board. So if you're looking for half moon shapes, these are easy to do as well. All right, so that's the tomato. I'm going to wipe off the knife. Now let's try the fresh mozzarella. Fresh mozzarella has a different texture than does a tomato. It's kind of rubbery, so it's going to give us a kind of a different problem here for the knife. But let's see how the knife goes. Move the tomatoes out of the way a little bit. It really doesn't look like this knife is having any trouble at all in the fresh mozzarella. So I think as a test, those are two pretty good tests that show that the performance of this knife is actually pretty good. And this is something that I would continue to use in my kitchen. So that concludes this test of the Cestari 6-inch ceramic serrated utility knife. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.